Hearty welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Talk. After a long time, we are going to be looking at a word of the day, and that is pencil. Like, if the professor's droning on and on, giving some boring lecture, like maybe most people don't like chemistry and physics. Maybe it's a chemistry class. The professor is droning on and on. You're grazing around the window, thinking what's going to be for lunch or what's going to be on TV now. Did that new series in Hotstar release or not? You guys might be thinking like this, seeing outside the window. And that is pencil. If someone's daydreaming, lost in thought, you can call him a pencil person. So that's all for today. Watch Daily Talk and stay updated with all these new vocabularies. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye-bye, see you all. Bye-bye, see you later. So if you see someone who's lost in thought, don't forget to call him a pencil person. Bye. Most of my friends are pencil as it's a rainy season. Okay guys, enjoy the rain. I'll meet you all tomorrow in the new video. Tata, bye-bye. Bye. Okay, ma.